Hey guys, PetSim 99 has updated, and a few things have been added. So let's go check what's new. So we got a slime factory, limited Titanic, and a new exclusive ad, and way more. Let's now check out what's new in the exclusive shop. Here is the new exclusive beast ad. New huge jelly hydra can be obtained from Forever Pack, and some boosts for the event world. The Forever Pack is now called the Slime Pack due to the slime theme. Here are the new exclusive egg pets. We got a huge snuggle beast, a huge claw beast, Titanic warrior beast, and last but not least the gargantuan royal beast. I really like their model on these exclusive pet huges. Here how the gargantuan looks. Looks pretty cool to be honest. Now let's check the event world. Looks like a tycoon-based world. We got a leaderboard also. You can get a Titanic jelly wizard and a huge jelly wizard. You can also upgrade your little workers. Here's the new egg with the new huge. You can also upgrade the egg for better stat packs. Let's upgrade it and see. I don't got much coins, but it also seems like the more you upgrade it, it gets more expensive. Here we got a chest with a chance of getting a huge night slime. And if you invite finds, it boosts your chances. Now for the other one, which holds what most people would want. This chest holds the Titanic jelly. The Titanic Freer the dragon. We also got upgrades.
You lied to my face.
Although this time your currency is what we used to upgrade.
You said
Let's upgrade a few things.
all these hoes to serve. Hey, in my brain, I told you not a thing wasn't gonna change. Hey, you still do the same thing.
Alright, so now it seems like we can add workers for more coins to breed.
Sometimes I think that we know blood.
Grinding.
And then I do love. Now I'm looking for a little drug. Yeah, double cup. Gotta double up. I feel like enough for us. Not enough. Not enough without love. Think you I'm coming up. My older brother told me that this was the youngest and he said you wouldn't change.
Seems like there's a chance to get a huge from breakable. After grinding for a while, I've upgraded my workers to a 40 and gained more coins faster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what other pets from 99 videos you would want to see. I've been thinking of doing training montage, but it seems harder to do lots of trade than PetSim has if you know. Although that's it for today,